So singaphazamisani bafethu asibe discipline yonke into ihambe ngendlela. Siyakubona lokho sekwenzekile besikazile sina ngempi kodwa sibona impi silethwa kuthina abasebenzi balanga ekhaya. So ngiyacela bafethu sinikeze ithuba sikhulume nabo sobe sisaqhubeka nohlelo lethu. Nosipho sicela u-engage.
Kanjani baba ngifundele memorandum?
Ngiyacabanga angithi
Qina umsebenzi, qina. Qina umsebenzi, qina. Subject here memorandum yethu. By the way, si-ink abasebenzi njengoba sisebenza nje emgaqweni sihlangene si-ink sizoletha ama-grievances ethu kula idepho kumphathi Mr. Sandile Myende. Objection to unilateral and drastic reduction of salaries. DSA or Madam, we are writing on behalf of workers employed in the saving of the municipality through the above listed DSW service providers. Our basic wage has been 8,400 per month, as agreed between the contractors and the municipality. On Thursday, 27 March 2025, an email was circulated by management titled "Shift to Private Cleaning Bargaining Council" and sent by Ms. Winile Sokel. This email indicated that workers will be shifted to the Private Cleaning Bargaining Council, resulting in a drastic reduction of salaries. Subsequently, the rate has indeed cut or reduced effective March 2025. Our socio-economic conditions and livelihoods and affordability affected as had already planned and accommodated the salary at that rate. Workers' demand and position. We strongly object to the unilateral change for the following reasons. Number one, the correct jurisdiction for our employment is the Municipality Bargaining Council. No other bargaining council applies. Number two, neither the contractors or the municipality have any legal or contractual basis to implement such a drastic salary reduction. Number three, our wages were being paid according to the contractor's agreement with the municipality. The proposed reduction is therefore unlawful, arbitrary, and unfair. Section 64 of the Labor Relations Act prohibits the unilateral changes to terms and conditions of employment without proper consultation and agreement. The reduction of our salaries constitutes theft, both from the workers and the municipality, as it involved withholding funds that were lawfully earned and allocated. Our request, we respectfully request that the city manager, ACO, DSW management, and any relevant structure within the municipality, number one, investigate any unlawful reduction of salaries by the contractors. Confirm in writing that all affected workers remain under the SALGBC Municipal Bargaining Council framework. Restore and protect the current wage of 8,400 per month basic for all affected workers. Ensure that all listed contractors comply fully with municipality agreements and labor law. Convey a clear message directly to workers and their managers within 48 hours regarding this matter. The situation urgently and provide clarity to the affected workers so that they can continue to work without disruption. In conclusion, we are willing to continue performing our duties. However, we cannot operate under these conditions. Any further delay in addressing this matter will leave us with no choice but escalate the issue to the bargaining council, the council and speaker's office, COGTA, and any other lawful channels. We trust that the municipality through Musambele, city manager, ACO, DSW management and any relevant structures will intervene immediately to restore fairness, compliance and protect the workers with rightful earnings. Amandla! Awethu! Qina msebenzi, qina! Qina msebenzi, qina! Phansi kocindezeleka phansi! Ngiyabonga corporate.